Hi guys, yes, I literally suck at intros, but thank you so much for watching. Wait, what? Anyways, if you guys want to see how I created this green golden look, then please keep on watching. Thanks, bye. I feel like it's been forever since I've like talked on camera. My camera's like, okay, so yeah, I started off with one eye first because I really didn't know where I was gonna take this look, but I'm actually really excited how it turned out. I was gonna give up on this look already. I wasn't gonna continue, like finish it. I was just gonna take it off and then start over. Okay, so yeah, I already primed my eyelid with Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Is it right? Okay, so I'm gonna start off with this shade right here. I really don't know what it's called, but it's that shade right there. But yeah, I'm gonna take it on a Morphe M506 and then just place it along your crease, and you're just gonna pack it on like a line on there first. So yeah, from like inner corner to outer corner, basically just pack it on like a line. Okay, now that I have that packed on, I'm going to take the Morphe 35B palette and then use the yellow shade on here. And then I'm going to use it on another M506 brush and then pack it on. I'm going to use it to blend out the top part of that eyeshadow. I think out of all this look, this is the part that's going to take like longest, and then because it takes like a lot of blending and stuff, be very patient. Like, you know, just blend, 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 and blend. You just have to go really slow parts, and then I don't know, girl, just keep blending. Okay, so now that it's blended out, I'm going to take a flat brush and some concealer and cut my crease. Do a half cut crease. We're getting it. We're getting it. I'm gonna take the Armed and Gorgeous palette from the Vault collection. I have like the whole collection, the whole Vault collection, but I want to do a video for each palette, like a look for each palette. I couldn't wait to use this one because it's just so pretty. It's like so pretty, and then I really wanted to use the colors. So for today's like inner corner right here, we're gonna use the oh shoot. We're gonna use this shadow right here, and it's called Coin. Guys, it's so pretty. It's like such a true gold. I'm gonna use my finger first a little bit. Okay, now I'm actually gonna wet my brush with the eyeshadow. Okay, now that we have it right there, I'm gonna take called Classified, and it's a gold as well, but it has some brown to it, and I'm gonna put that next to it and then blend it together. But I'm also gonna put more of the gold shade on top of this one to like make it darker. That's kind of what I want, so I could do this little part, like do the ombre from yellow to green. You see it? I'm like darkening it up right here so it doesn't go from like gold to like green. It just fades in kind of. Okay, I lied. I used also the Dark Magic palette from the Vault collection, and I just used the shade Inside Job. It's a dark green basically. I'm gonna use that on an M441 brush. That took me a lot to say. And then just use that to deepen it up right here. I'm gonna take an M506 brush to get more precise. Oh, that's so much better. Oh, I put too much, damn it. And then just like blend it out because homie went in too much. She got too excited. Oh my god. Okay, to finish this off, I know I said I didn't use another eyeshadow, but I did. I forgot. I used I'm sorry. I used Trickery right here from the Dark Magic palette. I'm taking VIP from the Armed and Gorgeous palette, and I'm gonna use that as my inner corner highlight. Okay, so I'm gonna do my face and then come back. I'm gonna take some yellow from the 35B palette and then place it on the bottom lash line. Since it is a yellow, like, I'm gonna try to smoke it out as much as I can, like under. I'm gonna go back in with the shade Inside Job from the Dark Magic palette. To deepen this up, I'm going to line my waterline with black liner. I'm just going to set that liner and then smudge it out a little bit, just a little bit. I just don't want the liner to like move a lot, so I'm just gonna set it with black eyeshadow. So now that we have that done, I'm going to put on some lashes, and the lashes I'm going to use today are the House of Lashes in the style Featherette, I think. I don't know, I'm gonna try them out, see how they look. Okay, so scratch that. I'm going to use the Morphe lashes in the style in the style Hypnotic. And I don't know, I always go back to these because I just really like how they look. Like, I don't know, they're really dramatic, and I wasn't feeling the House of Lashes, not with this eye look, I think, so I just went back with this one. I just realized something, and if you guys noticed it, comment down below. I want to see if you guys noticed it. Yeah, whoever noticed first and comments first, you guys get a high five from me. Honestly, oh my god, I'm so dumb. I am so dumb. I'm so freaking dumb. I'm freaking, wow, so dumb. So for the lips, I used the Smashbox Metallic Matte in Always On shade, and it's like some pinkish. I don't want to go like too bright or anything because the eyes are bright enough. This is a completed look. Tell me what you guys think of it in the comments, and yeah, peace out.